Somewhere in your city right now, 18 businesses are quietly making more money than most startups you've ever heard of. None of them have a flashy app. None of them have a founder doing interviews on stage. Nobody's filming a documentary about any of them. They just work quietly every single day while everyone else chases the next exciting idea. These businesses keep collecting money in the background, almost completely unnoticed by the people walking past them. You've probably driven past a dozen of these this week alone. You didn't notice a single one. That's exactly the point. Boring doesn't attract attention. Boring attracts profit instead, without ever having to compete for anyone's spotlight. Stay with me, because by the end of this, you'll never look at an ordinary storefront the same way again. Some of the richest people you'll never hear about built their entire fortune on businesses this unremarkable. Business 1, grease trap cleaning for restaurants. Every commercial kitchen legally needs this done on a schedule. Whether they want to think about it or not, nobody competes for this job for fun. The people who own these routes rarely advertise because they don't need to. The contracts renew themselves year after year without anyone lifting a finger to chase new clients. Business 2, vending machines inside hospitals. Foot traffic never stops in a hospital. People are stressed, tired, and rarely price sensitive at 3 in the morning. The machines run themselves. The owner shows up once a week to restock and collect cash that never really slows down. Business 3, portable toilet rentals for construction sites. Nobody dreams about owning this business as a kid. Every single construction project legally requires it anyway. The contracts get signed months in advance and rarely get questioned on price, because nobody wants to be the company known for skipping this line item. Business 4, elevator inspection and certification. Buildings are legally required to renew this constantly in nearly every city in the country. The list of certified inspectors is short. The demand never disappears because elevators never stop needing to be legal to operate. Business 5, storage unit facilities. People rarely empty a storage unit once they've rented one. The monthly fee quietly renews for years, sometimes decades, long after anyone remembers what's actually still inside. The building barely needs any staff to keep collecting that recurring payment. Business 6, coin-operated air and water machines at gas stations. Almost nobody notices these exist until their tire is flat. The machine sits there quietly collecting quarters every single day, with almost no maintenance required beyond an occasional repair visit. Business 7, medical waste disposal for small clinics. This isn't optional for any clinic that wants to stay legally operating. The routes are boring, slightly unpleasant, and almost nobody wants to compete for them. That's exactly why the few companies who do this quietly dominate entire regions. Business 8, laundromats in dense apartment neighborhoods. The machines run themselves around the clock. Renters without their own washer have no real alternative nearby. The owner collects quarters and app payments, while doing almost nothing beyond occasional repairs and restocking soap. Business 9, billboard land leasing along highways. The land itself is often worthless for anything else. The billboard company pays a quiet lease every single month for decades, just for the right to bolt a sign onto land nobody else wanted in the first place. Business 10, ATM machines in places big banks ignore. Casinos, small bars, and remote gas stations often have no reliable bank presence nearby. The independent ATM owner charges a fee nobody questions when cash is the only option left in the room. Business 11, car washes on busy commuter roads. People pay for convenience without thinking twice most weeks. The machinery does the actual labor. The owner mostly just maintains equipment and empties the coin boxes on a predictable schedule. Business 12, self-storage for boats and RVs. These vehicles are too large for most driveways or city regulations. The owner needs somewhere to legally store it for months at a time. That need rarely goes away, and the lot itself requires almost no daily attention. Business 13, cell tower land leasing in rural areas. Telecom companies need physical land to place equipment on, and they'll happily pay a quiet yearly lease for decades to keep it there. The landowner does essentially nothing beyond signing renewal paperwork. Business 14, dumpster rental for construction and renovation projects. Every single project needs somewhere to put debris, and almost nobody wants to own the dumpsters themselves. The rental company delivers, waits, and collects a fee that barely gets negotiated down. Business 15, water vending machines outside grocery stores. People trust filtered water from a familiar machine more than they trust their own tap in many neighborhoods. The machine collects quarters constantly while requiring only occasional filter changes to keep running. Business 16, property management for absentee landlords. Owners who live far away need someone local to handle everything they can't. The management fee renews every single month automatically, whether the owner ever thinks about the property or not. Business 17, pressure washing contracts for shopping centers. Sidewalks and parking lots need this done on a schedule to avoid liability issues. The contracts renew quarterly without much negotiation because property managers rarely want to shop around for something this unglamorous. Business 18, recycling pickup for small businesses. Most cities require it. Most small business owners don't want to deal with the logistics themselves. The company that handles it gets paid monthly on autopilot for a job almost nobody else wants to compete for. None of these businesses will ever trend online. None of them will ever get a glossy magazine feature. But add up the recurring, boring, unglamorous income from all 18 of them, and you're looking at a combined picture worth more than most flashy startups that raised millions in funding and never turned a real profit. The pattern repeats every single time. Something legally required, something nobody wants to compete for, something that renews automatically without needing constant attention. That combination is where quiet fortunes actually get built, far away from any spotlight. Most people overlook every single one of these businesses because they're looking for something exciting. The people who actually get rich from businesses like this stopped needing excitement a long time ago. They just wanted something that worked reliably, month after month, without asking for much in return. If you're looking for your own version of this, stop looking for the next big idea. Start looking for the boring, unglamorous, legally required task that almost nobody wants to handle in your own city. That gap is usually still sitting there wide open, waiting for someone patient enough to fill it. This channel is POV Zen. If this list changed how you look at the ordinary businesses around your own city, that's exactly why it got made in the first place. Subscribe if you want the next hidden business breakdown just like this one. Because somewhere near you right now, one of these 18 businesses is quietly running, collecting money nobody's paying attention to, exactly the way it has for years. Nobody needs to notice it for it to keep working. That's usually the entire point.